Your checked luggage is not safe in 2025. You must do this before it's too late. Imagine this. You land after a 12-hour flight, head to baggage claim, and your suitcase never shows up. In 2025, this nightmare is more common than ever. Here's the shocking truth. Last year alone, over 32 million checked bags were lost, delayed, or had items stolen. That's 90,000 bags every single day. And while airlines want you to believe it rarely happens, insiders admit many of these disasters were 100% preventable. So today, I'm going to show you the real hacks smart travelers are using in 2025 to keep their bags safe. Some of these are brand new, and airlines don't want you to know about them. And stick around for the final tip, because it's the only guaranteed safety net that can save your entire trip. Tip number 1. Fragile and priority tags equals thief magnets. We've all seen that guy at the check-in counter proudly slapping a big, shiny, fragile sticker on his suitcase, like it's suddenly going to be carried down the jet bridge on a velvet pillow. Hate to break it to you, but baggage systems don't care. Conveyors don't suddenly drive slower because your bag has a little red sticker on it. Handlers don't go, "Oh wow, look, this one says fragile. Better give it a hug." Here's the brutal truth. Those tags don't make anyone more careful. In fact, they do the opposite. They're like putting a neon sign on your bag that says, "Hey thieves, this one's probably worth checking out." Jewelry? Electronics? Fancy bottles of wine? To a thief, fragile equals expensive. And priority is just as bad. It doesn't scream VIP service. It screams, "This bag is important enough to steal." Unless you're checking in grandma's priceless vase collection, and honestly, you shouldn't be putting that in checked luggage anyway, skip the tags. The real pros, flight attendants and frequent flyers, avoid them completely. They know those little stickers are basically an open invitation for your bag to get extra attention, and not the good kind. Tip number 2. Never pack electronics in checked bags. Here's the fastest way to ruin a vacation. Put your laptop, tablet, or power bank in your checked suitcase. Because in 2025, airlines and the TSA changed the rules, and most travelers still haven't caught on. Lithium batteries? Banned from the cargo hold? Smart luggage with non-removable batteries? Banned. That portable speaker you wanted for the hotel pool? Yep, banned. Best case, your bag gets pulled off the flight for safety reasons while you fly happily away without it. Worst case, security digs through your stuff, confiscates your electronics, and leaves you with one of those useless little inspection notes. One poor traveler I read about opened their suitcase at baggage claim only to find their laptop, camera, and chargers gone, all in the name of safety. And the airline? They shrugged and said, "Not our problem." Look, I get it. Nobody wants to carry an extra 3 pounds of electronics through the airport. But would you rather keep your laptop with you or trust it to the same system that loses 90,000 bags every single day? Exactly. So the rule is simple. If it plugs in, charges, or has a battery, it lives in your carry-on. Yes, even your electric toothbrush, even your hair straightener. Because guess what? If you check it, there's a good chance it's not making it to the other side. Tip number 3. Strip old baggage tags before you leave home. Here's a fun fact. Your suitcase might be smarter than you think, but in the worst possible way. Those little barcode tags from your last trip? Yeah, they don't just sit there looking ugly. Airport scanners can and do pick them up. That's how you book Toronto, and your bag takes a surprise holiday to Tokyo. And no, the airline doesn't find this cute. They'll tell you it's your fault because you didn't peel off a half-ripped sticker from last year's vacation. I mean, who checks under the handle or on the bottom of the bag, right? Wrong. That's exactly where those old tags like to hide. So before you even leave for the airport, do a 30-second inspection, rip off every sticker, every barcode, every little tag. If it isn't for the flight you're taking today, it's basically a free ticket for your bag to play luggage roulette. Trust me, baggage handlers don't care if your suitcase is sipping sake in Japan while you're freezing in Canada. You'll just be stuck with the airline's favorite line. We'll let you know when it turns up. Before we continue, please go ahead and like and subscribe for good luck. Because let's be real, when it comes to checked luggage, you're gonna need it. All right, let's get back to it. Tip number 4. Make your bag invisible to thieves. Now let's talk fashion. Or rather, anti-fashion. You might think that shiny new designer suitcase makes you look stylish. To thieves, it makes you look like a walking opportunity. Glossy hard shell with a giant logo? That doesn't say tasteful traveler. That says, please rob me, I might have a Rolex inside. Here's what the pros do. They make their luggage look boring, dull, forgettable. Slap some duct tape around the handle, add a random travel sticker from a country you've never even visited, or just let those scratches and scuffs shine with pride. Think of it as camouflage. The uglier, the better. Flight attendants are masters of this trick. One told me she deliberately uses a battered old bag, and in 10 years of flying, she's never had a thing stolen. Meanwhile, Mr. Look at My Designer Set wonders why his bag vanished somewhere between Miami and Madrid. So yeah, your suitcase doesn't need to win a beauty contest. It just needs to scream, nothing interesting here, move along. Because in the luggage world, boring equals safe. Tip number 5. Zip ties are your secret weapon. Forget those overpriced luggage security systems they sell at airports for the price of a small car. You want cheap, effective, and dead simple? Grab a pack of zip ties. Yep, the same things you'd use to fix a garden fence can stop 90% of opportunistic theft. Here's how it works. Thread a bright neon zip tie through your zippers before checking your bag. That's it. Now, anyone trying to sneak into your suitcase has to cut it, leaving obvious evidence. And trust me, thieves don't like obvious. They want to be in and out faster than a YouTuber skipping the like and subscribe button. For bonus points, get those numbered security seals you can buy online. Take a photo of the number before you fly. If the number's different when you land, boom, proof your bag's been messed with. For less than $1, you've turned your suitcase into Fort Knox. Tip number 6. Don't check your bag too early. Here's one most people get totally wrong. You show up to the airport 4 hours early, feeling like an overachiever. I'll just check my bag now and relax, you say. Huge mistake, because all you've really done is give your suitcase extra hours to sit unsupervised in storage rooms where, surprise, surprise, things happen. Bags checked too early get moved around multiple times. The more they're handled, the more chances something goes missing, gets misrouted, or ends up in a pile marked oops. The sweet spot? About 60 to 90 minutes before a domestic flight, and 90 to 120 minutes for international. Just enough time for your bag to make it onto the plane, but not enough time for it to live a secret double life in some random storage bunker. So next time you're tempted to be super organized, remember, showing up early might save you stress, but it won't save your bag. In fact, it could be the reason you're buying emergency underwear in a hotel gift shop at midnight. Tip number 7. Photograph your bag and contents. Before you zip it shut, do yourself a favor. Take pictures. Lots of them. Snap the inside with everything neatly packed. Snap the outside from every angle. Zoom in on scratches, stickers, even that dent you swore wasn't there last trip. Why? Because when airlines lose your bag, and let's be real, it's not if, it's when, suddenly they'll act like your suitcase never even existed. Without proof, good luck convincing them you didn't just imagine packing an iPad and 3 pairs of Nike sneakers. But with photos, you've got evidence. Insurance, airline claims, credit card protection. All of it runs smoother when you can wave around time-stamped proof like a smug detective and store those photos in the cloud. Because let's face it, if you keep them only on your phone and that also disappears, well, now you've lost 2 things in one trip. Tip number 8. Use GPS trackers in 2025. Welcome to the future, where your suitcase is basically an AirTag away from being smarter than you. Apple AirTags, Tile trackers, Samsung Smart Tags. Doesn't matter which brand you pick, they all do one thing airlines can't: tell you exactly where your luggage is in real time. Seriously, it's 2025. Flying without a tracker is like driving without car insurance. You wouldn't do it. Well, hopefully you wouldn't. Hide one deep inside your bag, not in the outside pocket where a thief can just pluck it out. Some travelers even toss in 2 trackers, just in case. Overkill? Maybe. Effective? Absolutely. And here's the kicker. Airlines are finally admitting these things work better than their own systems. Some even encourage tracker sharing. So the next time an airline rep shrugs and says, "We're not sure where your bag is," you can smile, pull up your phone and say, "Actually, it's sitting in Chicago O'Hare, Gate C17. Care to explain?" Tip number 9. Always change the default lock code. Here's a little secret nobody tells you when you buy new luggage. Every single suitcase lock basically comes pre-programmed to say, "Please rob me." The default combos are always the same, 000 or 123. You know it, I know it, and guess what? Thieves know it too. So if you don't change that code, you're basically leaving your bag on the carousel with a sticky note that says, "Help yourself." It takes, 30 seconds to spin a few dials and set a new code? Do it the minute you get your suitcase home. And for the love of travel, don't set it to your birthday or your street number. Nothing says genius criminal mastermind like guessing a lock code that matches the date on your luggage tag. Set something random, memorize it, and boom, you've just shut down one of the easiest tricks in the luggage thief handbook. It's the simplest upgrade you'll ever make to your airport security game. I've popped some links in the description of things I use when I travel that have made life a lot easier. Feel free to check them out, and the YouTube algorithm thinks you'll enjoy the video on the end screen. I'll see you over there.